Okay, in this video, we're going to cover the media library. So it's great having a media library. This is a place where you can upload documents, PDFs that you might want to include in your email campaigns or even your LinkedIn campaigns. So there's some advantages to doing this. It's just a lot easier than linking to, say, a Google Drive. Ideally, you would load these guides on your website so the domains match the from address or the reply to address of their email campaigns. But sometimes that just isn't feasible. So it's very simple to create folders or white papers. So I've got a folder here. I have guides that I share. I have white papers. I can click on that white paper. I can simply upload a file, and I can pick a white paper that I find interesting. Grab a white paper, and we'll grab this one here. Pop it open. Upload. Now I can link this um, to my email campaigns. So, hi Bob, I thought I'd share the latest white paper. We just came up with a new one on the energy industry. And you simply select the copy link and you're done. Like in this case, I just accidentally uploaded 2 of them. So I just simply trash one. So I delete that file. But now I can access that link and include it in my sequences. So it's a nice place to keep everything together. So in my steps, I might have a call to action. Okay, I've tried to reach out to you a few times. You weren't available. So you can just highlight guides and white papers and just insert your link. Open up a new target in a new window. Drop in the link and you are connected. And then it's linked. Very simple. So settings, media library, you create folders. You can upload as much content as you like. Hope this is helpful. Let us know if you have any questions.